Hi guys, so today we are here to learn how to import data from the web, directly from the web. So let's say you went to Jumia store or Jumia site and you're seeing something like a table-like structure and you'd like to import the tables that you see on Jumia site directly to your Power Query or to your Power BI, to your Power BI. So let's get right into it. So now, so this is basically what we have on our Jumia site. So note that all these are stored at the back end in terms of tables, right? Rows, column, like you want to scrape data on this category is now like the Nike sportswear amount, how many items is left. Like you want to get all this data in table format, which comprises of the rows and column, right? Now, what we'll do is basically we get this site. I see. I'll go to our Power BI the same way. You go to your home tab, get data, web. So it says the URL. Paste the URL. Let's see. Hold on. It's trying to connect. It's trying to connect to the website every time. Yeah, and here we are. So it has given us like a navigator panel. So we can see what we want to extract from the web real time. So we have different kinds of table on that site, right? We have, let us view this. Table 1, this comprises of, you see, something like the price of the item, the stock still remaining, and also the percentage, right? Maybe like the customer ratings or something, right? So you see how beautiful this is. And also you can still have like a web view to see which part of the site we are actually scraping off or we are trying to get our data from. See how cool it is. So we can just come here. Maybe we are interested in table 1 and table 2. Click on our table 1 and table 2. Then we transform or we load, right? As depending on what you want to do, right? So this, or rather, this is the way for you to get data directly from your website using Power BI. So I hope that's fun. And guys, see you on the next one.